Hello guys again, we are back with another video, and guess what? Today is a curiosity day. We've got this Parkside cordless drill with a brushless motor. This is the performance line, and I was wondering how it is inside. To find out this, we need to take out, yes, it's working, the battery, turn around, and we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and another 14 screws, and all the screws I can see are Torx internal screws. Let's take them out. Okay, there we are. To take out this plastic, brushless, and voila. At the bottom of the contacts, we can see here is the board, on-off switch right, left, the gear, nice. Side we've got the brushless motor, small motor, and here is all the mechanism, and here we've got the contact there. You can take it out. Well guys, now you know how it looks inside. You're more smarter than you are. I can see that, oh, there we are. I can take that out. Here, inside is a gear. Take this out gently. I want to mess with that. You can see in the motor. That was all about this disassembly of the Parkside performance drill. Now you know how it looks inside. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. You can check out right in the corner my other videos for this performance line from Parkside. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Share this video, you never know whom you need it. Have a nice and healthy day. Bye bye.